Okay, everyone, so we have been working on our prehistoric inspired hands. And remember, we need to trace our hands at least 4 times. So I have my hand cut out. I'm going to try and trace it one more time. And when you are decorating your hands, you can use colored pencils, you can use crayons, you can use markers, and you can use regular pencils. And so, once you have your design all colored and cool, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hands, and they're all crossing each other, and they're really interesting. You can do some patterns in your hands. Like this. And once you have 4 hands and lots of nice patterns and colors, we can do the last step, which is we can use some spray paints. So these are tempera paint mixed with water, and we can look at some different colors. And we're going to use this again to make our spray hands. So I'm going to put mine right here. Make sure that this part is pointed toward your paper. And all you're going to need is a few little sprays. Oops, make sure you hold it nice and steady. And you don't want to do too much because it will get your paper a little too wet. So I'm just trying to do enough so that I can see the outline of my hand. So very carefully, I'm going to pick it up, and you can see the outline of my hand. I also have some darker colors like this dark red. I'm going to try this one over here. I'm going to hold it steady. It's okay if you get a little bit of paint on your hands, but be very careful. Don't spray it anywhere other than your paper. Just spray on your paper, okay? And this one, I'm having to kind of lift it back up to spray a little more. And there we go. Very carefully lifting that up. Look at that handprint. Now, you can see the paint is very wet, so I need to make sure to put this on the drying rack very carefully. But before I put it on the drying rack, I need to make sure my name is on the back of my paper, okay? So now it looks really fun and colorful, and I think it's done.